Don't give up the location. And if you bet I win the hit strip club, you gon' do it at the pub. It's ride so fast with the top down. The wind sound like a standing ovation. Fat and furious, like my bitch fast and flirtatious. Yeah, you got to let me do You got to let me do Right. You got to let me do Have a nigga.
The gentleman who won the Y Hunk Project bid.
Yes,
so,
it's Alan Blank, and I didn't hear it the other night, so I'm going to check it out tonight. I want to hear what he does.
Yeah. I thank him for having an easy name to say because
That's true. I can say Alan Blank. I'm pretty sure we got it right. So he's a fantastic guy. And way to go. All right.
Yeah, cool.
All right, Mike.
Just saying, huh?
Yeah, we're going to hear you here later today, right after Pat St. John here at 60.
Where are you going? RTH. Y30 RTH.
In hell, man! What the? Are you hitting me? Chicken shit. I'm not. Ooh. the hell? What?
The next letter was an L, just a straight up and down line without the bottom line. The next letter, he thought, was intended to be an O, but was confused by the bar across
What are we
it.
doing?
If the bar were moved over one place, it would make an A, leaving the final letter as an N.
I'm telling you, the quality of these drivers nowadays. Yep. I said a bad. Better beep that out, as you can imagine. Now look at him. Oh, let's not straighten up and let's try to get back in. Let me.
What is going on? Oh my God. Did you see that? They ran into the pole. That person's drunk.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.